Trace evidence, unraveling the clues. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, trace evidence. This term is not just a staple in detective stories but also a great example of how English can paint vivid pictures with just a few words. Let's dive into the world of mystery and understanding together. Before we decode trace evidence, let's break it down. The word trace refers to a small amount, a tiny sign, or an indication that something has happened or existed. It's like finding a crumb of a cookie. It's not the whole cookie, but it tells you a cookie was probably there. On the other hand, evidence is proof or facts that show something is true. In a courtroom, evidence can prove someone's innocence or guilt. Now, put the two words together, and you have trace evidence. In crime dramas and real-life forensic science, trace evidence refers to small, often microscopic, materials that provide crucial information about a crime scene. This could be a strand of hair, fibers from clothing, or even tiny fragments of glass. Just like a single puzzle piece, each bit of trace evidence can help complete the picture of what happened. Let's see some examples. The detective found trace evidence of the suspect's presence at the crime scene, like a few hairs and a partial fingerprint. In the courtroom, the forensic expert presented trace evidence that linked the defendant to the burglary. These examples show how trace evidence is a key term in legal and crime-related contexts. Understanding trace evidence is not just for crime show fans. It's a perfect example of how English combines words to create specific meanings. This phrase also highlights the importance of detail and observation, key skills in language learning and everyday life. I hope this exploration of trace evidence has been both intriguing and educational. Remember, every word and phrase in English is a clue to greater understanding and communication. Keep learning, and you'll keep uncovering the mysteries of the language. Until next time, happy learning!